Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don rename First Ugbor Road for Oredo local government area after Archbishop Margaret Idahosa. The governor talk this one when in carry waka go the Thanksgiving service for Mega Convention 2023 to celebrate the 80th birthday of Archbishop Margaret Idahosa for Utese community, Ugbor local government area of Edo State. The governor talk say, we not fit talk of modern day evangelism for the Pentecostal movement for Nigeria today without you not mention Idahosa family, and say to honor her for her 80th birthday, now to immortalize her sake of the better things which she don't do, and say they go do Christian music festival this year, and 50 million naira and then they go give to who win the competition, and say na part of ways for our youth for the state to show their talent to the world.
We have so much to be grateful to God for. When Mama stepped in and looked at her closely, and truly, from what I have seen of her this morning, she may get up to 150 years. Because she's looking as if she's 50. So God will continue to give you many, many more years. All we can do is to thank God. Because only He has made it possible for us to be here in this arena today, celebrating this icon of a mother. I can go on and on and on. Because as a child of this city, I know what Papa and Mama represents to us. I know the fundamental difference they have made in our lives as a people. For generations, not this generation, the generation before. Many of you will not understand. But looking at the stage and seeing these young, energetic men and women perform to the Lord, I was very, very moved and excited. Because Mama lives for her children, all of us here. That is what she stands for. She has sacrificed everything to make sure the children of this place, the children of this state, have a better future. That is why she continues to provide health care, continues to provide education to thousands of children around this place. Mama, we cannot say thank you enough. We cannot give you enough presents. We just must know that God brought you at a special time like this, for a special purpose, to continue to give us hope. Third said that I should tell you that we will continue to immortalize you. And because of your passion for young people, I saw these children on stage this morning. And I said, this year we are launching our first Christian musical festival because we want our children from Edo State to perform globally in Christian musical festivals. So in addition to what we have done, we will be putting a 50 million naira prize on the winner. That is the group that will win this year's Christian musical festival. So there will be a Mama Idahosa prize of 50 million naira for the groups that will win. So young men and women across Edo State, the stage is open. Go and begin to practice. Because by the grace of God, Mama will be with us here at Christmas. When these children will perform, and she is there to give this prize. Mama, thank you very much.
The governor, when he talked to Tori people after the event, talk say he renamed the road to honor Margaret Idahosa for her contribution to modern evangelism for Nigeria, so that her name will remain and generation to come go ask who she be.
As you all know, Archbishop Idahosa is an institution in Edo State. You cannot talk about modern day evangelism or the Pentecostal movement in Nigeria today without the mention of the Idahosa family. And for the contributions they have made to our spiritual upliftment, to our spiritual lives, and what they have contributed to our society in the area of education, in the area of healthcare, in the area of youth empowerment, cannot be underplayed. In fact, they have been a pillar to our society and our state. And I feel on the occasion of our 80th birthday, the least we can do, as our national anthem says, is to ensure that the labors of our heroes past shall not go in vain. So that the generations coming will ask, who is Archbishop Margaret Idahosa? By just passing through that street. And we will say to them, this is a woman who, working with her husband, opened up our society, opened up our state to a new phase of spirituality and a new phase of evangelism. First Ugbor Road, which leads to the first campus of the Mrs Idahosa University.
From Benin City, Awerosogene Ejo, TMC TV News.